In this video, I'll show you how to use headings in task descriptions in ClickUp. To get started, open the task where you want to add headings. Headings help organize longer task descriptions into clear sections, making instructions and important information easier to read. Click inside the description field. Highlight the text you want to format. From the formatting toolbar, open the text formatting options. Choose a heading style such as heading 1, heading 2, or another available heading level. The selected text will now appear as a heading in your task description. Continue adding headings wherever you need to separate different sections of the description. Using headings makes longer task descriptions easier to scan and helps your team quickly find the information they need. And that's how to use headings in task descriptions in ClickUp. I hope this video is useful, and if you have any questions, make sure to comment down below.